Hi, I am Arya from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up SMTP in HeroBot. Setting up SMTP allows you to send emails to your contacts. To set this up, go to Settings and click Email under the Channels tab. Then, select your email provider. Input your email address and password and click Continue. We strongly recommend you use app password when connecting SMTP. To generate app password on your email account, you need to look up Google how to generate app password on your email service provider. Once you generated the app password, use the app password on SMTP setting instead of your normal email account's password. If you're using a custom email such as john@domain.com, you need to input your host report number. Once you're done, click on Continue. Now you can send email to your contacts. There you have it. You have just learned how to set up SMTP on your HeroBot account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.